Hi, in this video I'm gonna introduce some add-ons for creating realistic skin in Blender, so stick around until the end. If you're interested in learning the latest 3D techniques, particularly in Blender, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me introduce our asset store website, where you can explore a variety of free and premium assets. We offer high quality game ready assets and also Blender projects, all of which you're free to use in any of your projects. So be sure to check out our store at blackcave.com/store. Creating believable human skin is one of the most technically demanding aspects of 3D modeling. It requires the right balance of color, texture, subsurface scattering, and micro details like pores and fine wrinkles. While Blender provides excellent tools by default, you can dramatically improve your results and efficiency by using specialized add-ons. Creating realistic skin manually can be extremely time-consuming. Add-ons can help in the following ways: streamline your workflow with reusable materials and presets, achieve realism faster with physically accurate shaders and textures, get procedural flexibility to easily iterate and tweak skin details, reduce the need for manual painting or texturing by automating complex setup. I explained how to create a realistic material for skin detail in the tutorial here. You can combine this method with the add-ons I'll introduce to achieve better results and details. The first add-on I'm gonna introduce is Global Skin. Global Skin brings powerful procedural skin generation tools to Blender. It's one of the most feature-rich solutions for artists who want full control over how skin is built and rendered. The key features of this add-on are full procedural control, which adjusts hundreds of parameters including pore size, wrinkle depth, skin tone, and oiliness with intuitive sliders. Also, it provides age and ethnicity and gender maps, which simulate baby, soft skin or aged leather textures with just a few tweaks. It provides masking and layering system, which apply freckles, scars, moles, and makeup using non-destructive blending and layering. Also, it provides micro detail control, which fine-tune microscopic skin details such as bump intensity, cavity maps, and skin sheen. And also it provides integrated subsurface shading. Comes with an optimized skin shader for both cycles and Eevee, including physically accurate subsurface scattering and custom threading. And at last, you can save and share your own skin templates for reuse in different characters. This add-on is ideal for artists working on highly realistic faces for close-ups and cinematics. You can find the link of this add-on in the description. The next add-on is Extreme PBR. Extreme PBR is a versatile material system with over 1,500 ready-to-use materials, including a strong collection of high-quality skin shaders. It's ideal for users who need speed and flexibility across different types of projects, not just skin. The key features of this add-on are multiple skin presets, which includes highlights and photorealistic skin tones such as light, dark, aged, and so on, with built-in subsurface scattering and displacement support. The next feature is drag and drop material siphon, which no need to manually create nodes and you need to just select and apply instantly. The next feature is material layering, which you can combine multiple skin materials to simulate mixed features like sunburn, scars, or sweat. The next feature is shader optimization panel. You can adjust performance settings for real-time or high-quality render output, and also the texture maps included, which is albedo roughness, normal displacement, and ambient occlusion, and micro details maps for every skin preset. And the last feature is a live preview and node customizer, which is the easily edit material nodes through a visual UI without entering the shader editor. This add-on is ideal for artists who want a plug-and-play library for skin materials with deep customization options. Also, you can find the link of this add-on in the description. The next add-on is Human Generator. Human Generator is a character creation add-on for Blender that includes one of the most realistic skin systems available. It automatically generates complete characters with detailed skin textures, making it a top pick for beginners and professionals alike. The key features of this add-on are you can access to over 120 skin tone variations. It covers a wide spectrum of ethnicities, ages, and skin conditions. For example, pale, tanned, freckled, and scarred. The next feature is dynamic skin textures, which texture maps are generated dynamically and can be combined. For example, freckles plus makeup. The next feature is ready to render subsurface setup. It will use an optimized shader tree for lifelike subsurface scattering, oil, and sweet simulation. And the next feature is advanced normal mapping, which includes high-frequency micro-details such as pores, wrinkles, and scars mapped using procedural and image-based normal. The next feature is head and body matching, which ensures seamless binding between face and body skin, avoiding visible texture seams. And the last feature is facial and hair plus skin integration, which is the facial hair blend naturally into skin textures with soft transparency falloff. This add-on is ideal for anyone creating full-body characters with integrated realistic skin quickly. You can find the link of this add-on in the description. The last add-on is Face Builder. Face Builder is a photogrammetry-inspired add-on that allows you to generate realistic head models for photographs. Though it's mainly used for facial geometry, its ability to capture photorealistic skin textures from real people makes it invaluable for realistic character. The key features of this add-on are photo to 3D face construction, which you can generate a head model from 4 or 6 photos taken from different angles. The next feature is accurate skin color transfer, which extracts base skin tone and texture from images and maps it to the 3D mesh. The next feature is blend shape creation. It is useful for creating facial expressions and shape keys from real-life scan. The next feature is non-photoreal stylization support, which use stylized portraits or altered textures and still achieve great UV mapped results. This add-on is ideal for creating realistic 3D heads with skin details delivered directly from photo references. By integrating these add-ons into your workflow, you can significantly reduce production time while increasing realism. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to share your questions and ideas in the comments.